Okay, this is the way I would go about making nested palettes to use in a second monitor. Let's open this up and lock it. And we go to Palettes and in the Customize dialog, and then check everything except Animation Lab. If you check Animation Lab, it will lock up. It's a bug that can't be fixed. Now you don't need all of these, but figure I'll throw them all in. Yeah, whatever you don't want to put in, you can leave out. Okay. Yeah. Event viewer, you can go in with the others here. Okay. Let's get this so we can see everything. Go to multi-row. Yeah, all the names will show up that way. And now we just start. Let me dump this in here. Okay. Now, this is my little cheat sheet that shows all the palettes and how they'll be set up. There's 4 sets in one big nest. Okay. Time to speed through this thing while we rearrange the palettes. Yeah. You go to Design Director and open up all the extra palettes that they have, such as the view and lights, the work plane and whatnot. We get the first one done, start on the second short one. Now, start throwing this all together. Open up the Animation Lab from the menu. And that should be it. Okay, now we're going to take this palette group and put it on top of the Design Director palette group. And we'll go to the left-hand arrow and drop it, and there we go. Now I'll drag the light palette group, drop that to the left side. Now I'll fill that all up. Now we grab the materials group and move it on top of the light and use the upper arrow to place it on top of that. And now I'll drag it out so the light toolbar stretches fully. See how the thumbnails line up. They fill in good. Stretch this over. Even everything up. And yeah, it looks halfway decent. And that should be it. Okay. Now we can grab hold of this and drag the nest to the other screen. Yeah, I use a sizer application to resize the palettes or resize the nest, and also force it into one corner. So now I got this all in here. And I can click on the auto hide, and everything is got all this open space to put other applications in, PDFs and whatever you need to read while you're working on your drawing and whatnot. Very handy. Yeah. And everything fits very nicely. Yeah. And if you're happy the way everything works out, then you just right click and go to the options page of the customized dialog, and type in a new name. And click on Save In. Now it says ribbon test on both sides, and I could pick any other now I get this configuration, which is all nice and neat. The classic configuration. You can oh yeah, default, which is there. This is what the program normally starts up with when it's first installed. Or I can go back and pick a different one. Yeah. And this one has all the tools in next to in the nest. So all the pallets are out here instead of the ribbon test that we did, which rearranges everything, and the tools goes back here. Everything else is over here.